Hello, Sahil.
Hi, sir.
Everything good?
All great, sir.
All right. You completed the NCRT questions?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Forgot
I
about
didn't.
that.
Yeah, I didn't keep it in my mind. It wasn't there. I forgot.
So you should be writing down the homework from today onward, right?
Yes, sir. The last homework I did, I mean the previous one, 5.2, that I had remembered, but this one I forgot.
All right. So please, by the next class, complete that. In fact, by tomorrow, complete that because the longer the gap between the class and your homework, the more questions you will not be able to solve. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So we are waiting 2 more minutes for the students to come. All right.
All right, sir.
Hello, Gonzalo.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. You were not there in the last class?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we did an important topic in the last class. Please get the lecture video. All right.
Okay, sir.
Do watch that. That is very important class. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start today's class. Just give me one moment. All right. In the last class, we did logarithmic differentiation. Right, Sahil?
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to see inverse trigonometric differentiation. All right. How to differentiate inverse trigonometric functions. So few standard functions and their derivations we have to remember like we do for other functions. First is sine inverse x. All right, Zed, can you tell me what is the formula for this?
So 1 by root 1 1 plus x one minus x square. Sorry.
1 minus x square, absolutely right. So sine inverse x, if we have to differentiate, directly use this formula. All right, differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 upon 1 minus x square under root. If you have cos inverse x, then you just multiply a negative sign and same thing. All right. If you have tan inverse x, and this is 1 upon 1 plus x square. If you have cot inverse x, then multiply a negative sign and same thing. If you have sec inverse x, and Z, what is the formula for this?
So modulus of x under root 1 minus x square.
No, x square minus 1.
X.
Opposite, right?
Okay.
So cosec inverse x, just multiply a negative sign and everything remains same. These are standard formulas. So all you have to remember is three things: this, and this. Sine, tan, sec are positive, all the co-quantities. Cosec, right? This is cosine, cot, and cosec. All are negative. Everything else is positive. This thing is clear? Sahel, Kinza,
Yes, sir.
all right. Standard formula, you have to memorize this. Please note it down.
What's the subheading, sir?
Sorry.
Subheading.
Subheading, differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. All right, Zed. Tell me when you guys noted this down.
Done, sir.
All right, let's solve one question. If you have sine inverse 5x, right? So they will not give you direct questions. Obviously, they will not ask you what is differentiation of sine inverse x, because you know the direct formula. But if you have sine inverse 5x, so the first thing we need to know is this is going to be a question of chain rule, right, Sahel? Body and
Right,
soul,
sir.
body and soul thing. So if you have this y equals to this, then differentiation of sine inverse 5x upon dx, we can write differentiation of sine inverse 5x with respect to 5x first, and then differentiation of 5x with respect to x, right, Kinza?
Yes, sir.
So if we assume 5x is t, then differentiation of sine inverse t. Sahel, can you read me the formula of sine inverse x?
It is 1 upon a root of 1 minus x per whole root.
Right. So 1 minus t square I can write into differentiation of 5x. Differentiation of 5x.
5x raised to 4.
This is not x raised to the power 5. This is just 5x. Sahel.
Yeah, that's what 5 will come outside. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. It's not.
So
Yeah, exactly.
5, right? So that let's replace the value of t. So 1 upon 1 minus what was t? 5x. So 25x square under root, and this is into 5. So 5 upon 1 minus 25x square. I hope this question is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
All right, please note it down.
Done, sir.
All right, please solve this question. Tan inverse x cube. All right, I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Again, don't skip any steps. Zed, please check your answer again. Absolutely correct answer, Kinso. Sahel, please send me the answer. Or you can
Sure,
speak the
sir.
answer. Just tell
Okay.
me what is the answer.
3x squared upon 1 plus x raised to 5.
Okay, I got the mistake of you too. X cube to the power square is not x raised to the power 5. This is x raised to the power 6. All right. When you
Okay.
have power of power, it becomes in multiplication. If you have two powers
Right,
like
right.
this,
I forgot.
yes. So these mistakes are like not forgivable, right, Sahel?
Yeah, sir.
So let's solve another question. Sec inverse x raised to the power 4. All right. All right, Sahel. Correct answer. Kinza, have you solved this?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
4x cubed by x raised to 4,
All right.
x raised to 8 minus 1.
Absolutely correct. Zed, this is clear?
Yes.
All right. So this type of questions you can do. Oh, there are going to be questions where you need to simplify before finding the differentiation. What I mean by that, write down the question that y equals to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. All right. So I hope you remember that chapter, right? Inverse trigonometric functions. There was something like this in that chapter we studied. Yes or no? Who remembers this?
So is the formula of tan 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan.
Yes. Yes. Right. Absolutely right. So how to solve this? If you guys have not solved inverse trigo functions clearly, then you will face a lot of issues in this topic. So you should be extremely familiar with those formulas to solve this type of questions. So if you put this x equals to tan theta, then you will see this is y equals to sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And this is sine 2 theta. So this is 2 theta, and theta we can find tan inverse x. So this is the formula of 2 tan inverse x. And if you remember this, I have given you direct formula that for 2 tan inverse x, you can write like this. Right, Sahel?
I remember this, but I haven't seen the lecture videos yet. I have to watch them.
All right, please get the lecture videos and
Yeah.
look out the
No, I have
formula.
got it, but I just need to watch them.
All right. Kinza, you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you have to use this kind of formulas before. Like there is no issue if you directly differentiate, but the question will be unnecessarily lengthy. Right? Differentiating this and this is like Zameen and Asman ka difference. But if you still forget, then you can directly differentiate. But do that correctly. Otherwise, everything will be meaningless. So 2 tan inverse x. Now you can differentiate. Who can tell me the answer? Dy by dx.
So 2 by 1 plus x square.
Absolutely right. Right, very simple. 2 is outside, tan inverse x differentiation is 1 plus x square, right? Everyone else is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this question becomes this question just by using the properties of inverse trigo functions. So please make yourself familiar with the inverse trigo functions properties. All right. So this is all in this topic, not a lot of things. If you just remember the properties, every question is like piece of cake. All right. So please look out the NCERT exercise of inverse trigo. I'll name the exercise 5.5 or 6, I guess. That is all right. This is the homework. All right, Sahel, Kinza, Zaid.
Yes.
Now, what is the next topic? Differentiation of parametric functions. Right. So, what is parametric functions? First, we need to get that. Till now, we were seeing things y equals to some function of x. Right? X square, x to the power 6, sine x, cos x, everything is in the terms of x and y. direct function. All right. Zaz and Sahaz are friends, best friends. They talk to each other directly. All right. But suppose someday they fight in the class. Right. They have a conflict between them. So what happens? Kinza is their mutual friend. So Sahil does chugli with Kinza about Zaid, and Zaid does chugli about Sahil to Kinza. All right. So Kinza knows about both of the chugli side. All right. This is called parametric function. That this quantity is talking to this quantity is talking to this quantity, but basically they are talking about each other. What do I mean by that? If I write y equals to some function of t, suppose t square, x is also some function of t, suppose 280. All right. Y is talking to t, x is talking to t, but the function is between y and x. Basically, what we have to do, we have to find dy by dx. This thing is clear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sahel, Kinza. All right. So how to find this? Very simple. Differentiate y with respect to t, divide this by differentiate x with respect to t. You will get the answer. All right. Or in this example, y equals to t square. If I find dy by dt, what will be the answer? Sahel, can you tell me?
Then it will be I'm not sure, sir.
Just differentiate t square with respect to t.
Okay, so it will be dt. It will be t square by dt, right?
Right. So what will be the answer?
Okay, so it will be 2t.
2t.
Okay.
So x is 280. Kinza, what will be dx by dt?
Two will be taken outside.
And a is also a constant.
Okay, 2a into 1.
So 2a. So what will be dy by dx? This will be dy by dt upon dx by dt. So this 2t upon 2a. So this is cancelled. So t by a is the answer. Very simple,
Yes, sir.
right? So please note it down. And this is called parameter. T is the parameter here. Please note it down. Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
All right. Please write down the definition also. That is important for you to revise. Sometimes the relationship between y and x are neither explicit nor implicit. The relationship between them is defined using a third variable, which is called parameter. Okay. So a function of the type y equals to f of t and x equals to g of t is called parametric functions. Alright, and dy by dx will be equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Note this down also. All right, Sahel. Sahel, can you tell me when you're done?
Done, sir.
All right. So solve a question. Find dy by dx. Where x is a cos theta and y is a sin theta. Very simple question. All right. Send me the answer in the chat. And I need all the answers. All right, Zahid. All right, Sahil. Kinza, have you solved this?
1 minute, sir.
All right. Right, Kinza. You can cancel some of the things. We have a sine theta as y. So dy by d theta will be a cos theta. X is a cos theta. So dx by d theta will be minus a sine theta. So dy by dx we can write dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, a cos theta upon minus a sine theta. This is cancelled. So minus cot theta we can write as the final answer. All right, Kinza.
Yes, sir.
Next question goes to sine theta cos theta and x equals to tan theta. Find dy by dx. Zed, please check your answer again. Prinza, are you solving this?
Yes, sir.
All right, 2 more minutes. All right, I need your answer in the chat.
Okay, sir.
All right, let's see. So first step is to find dy by d theta. So d sine theta cos theta upon d theta. So how to find this differentiation?
Sir, should we apply chain rule here?
No, not chain rule, product rule, right? Two functions are multiplied. Right? Two persons standing is different from a soul captured at the body, right? I hope I'm making sense.
Yes, sir.
Right? So you can use product rule here. So sine theta into differentiation of cos theta plus cos theta into differentiation of sine theta.
Yes, sir.
Right? So dy by d theta equals to sine theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sine theta. So minus sine square theta we have here plus cos theta into cos theta. So cos square theta. Right? This is the differentiation. And x is tan theta. So dx upon d theta is
Sec square theta.
right. So dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. This will be equal to dy by dx, which is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta upon sec square theta. What you can do here, you can simplify, you can write this as this is formula for cos 2 theta, and sec square theta you can write cos square theta like this. All right, I don't think you can simplify any further than this. All right, everyone.
Yes.
So I don't know, everyone got the wrong answer. How did you guys get -1?
So 1 second. Here, sine theta into minus sine theta, it will be there, right?
Right.
So it will be minus sine square theta.
Yes.
No, you wrote sine 1, I guess. What did you write? I don't know. Is it 2?
Which is 2?
Is it, no, is that 1 or 2?
Where?
This
This is square.
sine.
This is square.
Okay.
Sine square
So it will
theta.
be okay. So when cos square, okay. So sine square theta plus cos square theta.
But this is minus sine square theta, right?
Okay. So it won't make minus
No,
1.
no. See, if you had minus sine square theta minus cos square theta, then what you could do, take minus common, write sine square theta plus cos square theta, and this is 1, so -1. you have only negative sine square theta, right? If you take
Okay.
negative common, and this becomes sine square theta
I see.
minus cos square theta, right?
Okay, I see. Got it.
All right, then I hope this question is too clear to everyone. Note it down, guys.
Certain.
All right.
Done, sir.
All right. Next question. Find dy by dx when x is sine theta minus sine 2 theta and y is cos theta minus cos 2 theta. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. I need the answer on chat. All right, Zed. I think you did the differentiation a bit wrong. Please check again. All right, Sahil. Kinza, have you solved this?
Almost, sir.
All right.
Done, sir.
All right. So please match your answers. We have y equals to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So dy by d theta. This is minus sin theta. And this is plus 2 sine 2 theta. I hope this is clear, everyone. X is sine theta minus sine 2 theta. So dx upon d theta will be cos theta minus cos 2 theta. There is a 2 also. Dy by dx will be dy by d theta on dx by d theta. And this is 2 sine 2 theta minus sine theta upon cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. All right. I hope this
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. All right. So next question. Find dy by dx if x equals to a theta minus sine theta and y equals to a 1 plus cos theta. All right, Zed.
So do we need to use UV rule here?
You need to think that. Do you have two products in multiple? A is a constant. A is
Is a
always a
constant,
constant.
right? Okay.
Yes. All right. Let's see. You can simplify this also, Kinza. So we have y equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. So dy by d theta will be a differentiation of 1 is 0 plus minus sine theta, right? This is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. Dy by d theta is minus a sine theta. And x is a theta minus sine theta. So dx upon d theta will be a theta differentiation is 1 minus sine theta is cos theta. So what we have, dy by dx is equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta equals to minus a sine theta upon a 1 minus cos theta. So this is cancelled. This is equals to minus sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta. And I've told you like many times, whenever you see 1 minus cos theta, you can use the half angle formula. So I can write sine theta as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 upon 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. This square is gone. So final answer we got minus cot theta by 2. Everyone is clear about this or not?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sahel, Kinza.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Right. See why we need to do this. Sir, we got this answer. Who can say we are wrong? They might change this question into prove that dy by dx is equals to minus cot theta by 2. Then you have to know how to go from here to here, right? Yes or no?
Sir.
All right. So note it down. The next question. If x equals to e to the power cos 2t, y equals to e to the power sin 2t, prove that dy by dx equals to minus y upon x log x on log y. All right. Very simple question. Few minutes for this also.
So it's a proving question. So how should we send the answer?
You don't need to send me the answer. You can just tell me if you solve this or not.
Yeah, so like I'll get cos 2t as if after taking log. Okay, cos 2t will be log x, sin 2t will be log y.
Right.
Then yeah, then I'll be doing is then I'll be adding them up to get log x square and log x square, like RHS and LHS together. I'll be doing it.
Right. No, you can just do differentiation, right?
So first, if
We
I
have
get no, if I get one on RHS, then it will be easy, right?
like this. Are you saying like this is log x equals to cos 2t? Now what to do?
Yeah, because if I get like cos square 2t plus sin square 2t, then it will be 1. It will be easy.
Oh, so you squared and then added. You are saying.
Yes.
All right. So differentiating log x square. I hope you did this right.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 2 log x into 1 upon x, right? And
Right,
dx
sir.
upon dt. But then in the same equation, you will be getting dy upon dt also.
Yeah, if we do it together.
But then how will you go, like how are you going to find to divide both of them?
No, so it'll be like log x square plus log y square equals 1. Then it'll be 2 log x. If we differentiate with respect to x,
Okay, one
it'll,
side will go
yeah.
to that side. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But I prefer to differentiate directly like this.
This is like we practice this question in our school.
All right, no issues. See, one question can have many ways, right? Somebody can directly
Yeah, sir.
differentiate this if she doesn't want to take log, or like Kinza, I think you did not take log, you just differentiated directly,
Yes, sir.
right? Because you were not there in the last class, right? So I can say this. So you can differentiate directly also, no issues, but taking log makes this question very simple. All right.
Yes, sir.
So please get last class video. So I don't need to solve this. Everyone can solve this, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
All right. Now, one last type of question they will ask you, and thus they might ask you find differentiation with respect to another function, right? What I mean by that, differentiate tan x with respect to sin x. That means they are asking differentiation of tan x with respect to sin x. How to do this? Very simple. Again, same way we can write this as differentiation of tan x with respect to x, and this is a differentiation of sin x with respect to x. Just find this divide, you will have your answer. All right, am I clear what I'm saying here?
Yes.
All right,
Yes, sir.
so what is the differentiation of tan x? Tan x is sec square x upon sin x is cos x. So sec cube x is the answer. Very simple.
Yes.
Yes or no? So let's give you last question. Differentiate. Sahel, this is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Differentiate tan inverse x with respect to sin inverse x. Few minutes for this. All right, Kinza,
Yes, sir.
solve it.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Root 1 minus x squared by 1 plus x squared.
All right. Yes. So differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x is 1 upon 1 plus x squared. Differentiation of sine inverse x with respect to x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x squared. So when finding this, we can write this as differentiation of this with respect to x. This is differentiation of sine inverse x with respect to x. So this is 1 upon 1 plus x squared all divided by under root 1 upon under root 1 minus x squared. So this is, all right, everyone, answer is matched. All right. So today we finished what? Parametric and inverse Trigo. So what is your task to complete the exercises of this? All right.
Yes.
And you'll be getting assignments also. So you have 1 week to complete all of this task, not a lot. I guess 15-20 questions will be there. But please revise the properties of inverse Trigo chapter also. All right, Sahel.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I believe everyone is clear about today's class, whatever you studied. All right, this is all for today's class. Take care, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thanks, sir.